So over here in my Microsoft Edge browser, I have installed some extensions. And if I were to go around and click on the extension button, then if I were to go to manage extension, then you can see the 3 extension right here. But not all of them are turned on. For example, Microsoft Bing homepage and search engine is not turned on. And you can see it right here because of the slider, it is turned off. You can go around and turn it on, and what happens is that all of this will be shown, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go around and remove and see the details of this particular extension as well. So right now you can see that both of these are here. So if I were to go around onto OneNote, then what happens is that it'll actually go around and then access it. So let's just go around over here onto let's say, for example, the Bing website right here, and then go around onto OneNote. Then it actually runs it out, as you can see. But if you want to disable these extensions, then all you need to do is go around and disable it without removing it. So it'll still be there, but it'll just be disabled. So now you can see that it won't be shown over here. Doesn't mean that it is uninstalled or removed. It's actually simply there hidden. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. But you can go to manage extension again and then re-enable these back to access out these extension, as you can see. And that is how you can disable and enable extensions that are installed inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.